It's the return of BeautyFIX by Dermstore. So if you want to see what's in their May box, stay tuned. Hi and welcome to our channel. My name is Tracy. Chloe's in the other room, but Bandit's hanging out with me down here. This is the May BeautyFIX by Dermstore. Just came in a couple days ago. I did order it late, so I thought I was going to get the June box, but I am getting the May one. So you may have already seen this opened up, but there was one product in here in particular that I needed to have. Not for me, but actually for Chloe. So here's a little sneak peek. Like I said, you may have already seen this. Now, this is $24.95 a month. If you get longer subscriptions, you can get it for cheaper. I think if you do a 1-year commitment, you can pay for it month to month for $21.95, but you are locked into that 1 year. So if you're not sure it's something you're going to really love, try it for a month. It's not that bad. And what you're going to get back, significant. This 2 items in this box equal $150 is the heavy hitter. So you are going to get full size and deluxe samples, and you are going to get definitely luxury brands. The very first thing in here is by Perricone MD, and this is the MD Cold Plasma Plus Neck and Chest Broad Spectrum SPF 25 1 ounce. This is a $95 value. This was not the reason I got it. So it's a whipped and lightweight formula. It's going to moisturize the neck and chest area, and it's going to visibly smooth, firm, and even the appearance of damaged skin along this area. So some key ingredients are vitamin C ester, and this is supercharged brightening and smoothing, vitamin B3, which is a dark spot and dullness eraser, peptides, which are going to fortify damaged skin, and a mineral-based sunscreen with advanced SPF protection. They do say that you'll see results within 28 days. And even though this is little, this is 1 ounce, this is going to go a long way because you don't need that much. Right? You're just putting it on this area, so you can just take a little bit and rub it on. And the great thing about this is that if you've used retinol at night and you put this on during the day, it is going to give you some slight SPF protection. 25 is not enough for me, but it's a good start. I mean, I'm also probably going to spray sunscreen on anyway, or rub some in, whatever I'm going to do. But this is kind of like if I'm just going into work and I don't know that I'm going to be outside much during the day, this is perfect. I wanted to get, and this is the Medigate C Tetra Day Cream. This is 48 grams, and it is a $59 value, and it is refillable. So this one jar has 60 uses in it, and it says it's a visibly bright, dewy, and energized complexion that you're going to get from this. It's going to simultaneously smooth the look of fine lines and wrinkles while visibly boosting skin glow and radiance. And it's very lightweight yet effective. Key ingredients include a 3% stabilized vitamin C, and that's tetrahexyl diesel ascorbate, which is a low irritation form of antioxidant vitamin C that works to keep the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles at bay. It also helps visibly brighten and even the skin tone for visible discoloration reduction. It has vitamin E, which is a powerful antioxidant that's naturally present in the skin. It works to nourish the complexion. And hyaluronic acid. And hyaluronic acid can attract and retain more than 1,000 times of its own weight. So this is probably a sodium hyaluronate. It's going to draw moisture into the skin, leaving your complexion nourished and supple. All right, so it has a little scoop there, and Medicate's a great brand, so you can't go wrong with a Medicate product. There's no artificial fragrance, synthetic color. It's paraben-free, alcohol-free, and certified by the Vegan Society. Now, Medicate brand is dermatologist recommended. It is made in the UK, and they are a proud B Corp, which is certified sustainability. It's part of their DNA. It says their mission is to reduce the footprint of our products so you never have to compromise results for product experience or impact on the planet. Medicate has a strict cruelty-free policy. They guarantee neither their finished products nor their raw ingredients have been tested on animals anywhere in the world. They do not allow third-party testing, and they are not sold in mainland China where animal testing can be legally required. Furthermore, their products are 100% vegan. And Perricone MD is also a certified cruelty-free brand. Perricone MD does not test on animals. None of their products at any point are tested on animals. They do not sell in markets like mainland China where animal testing might be mandated by law. And while they do have vegan products, not all of their products are vegan, but they do have vegan options. Next, by Jane Iredale, we have the Color Luxe Hydrating Cream Lipstick. This is in the shade Bordeaux, and it is a $35 value. So we have paid for this box now 6 times over. It's a nice, heavy, weighty, like it's not lightweight. It's not super heavy, but I mean, it's not like, oh, that's a gorgeous berry color. Look at that. That is absolutely stunning. All right, rub it out a little bit and you're going to get that. Now, this has some skin-loving ingredients like cocoa butter. That's going to help protect your lips and keep them hydrated. It has Portula pilosa extract. That's going to soothe the skin, and it's going to support collagen production, really important for some of us older ladies. And it has sunflower seed oil, which is going to nourish the lips and help them retain their moisture. It's going to give a satin finish, and it's designed to be rich and creamy without oily, which means no feathering. Now, this is a clean beauty brand, so there are no toxins in here. All products are free of fragrances and fillers that can cause irritation, and they have robust testing, they say, to ensure their formulas are effective for even the most sensitive skin. It is Leaping Bunny certified, so we know it's cruelty-free. And they support organizations that help animals, women, the Berkshires, and the environment. They won't use plastic whenever possible. They reduce their use of virgin plastic via lightweight or alternative materials. They reuse products where possible, like plastics, and they recycle. Next, we have our 2 deluxe samples, and this is by DHC, and it is a cleansing oil face makeup remover, 1 ounce. It's a $5.50 value. You can buy this at Ulta for $5.50. DHC is the original Japanese oil cleanser that removes makeup, dissolves impurities, and leaves your skin soft and radiant. So it says that it hydrates and softens skin with fleur d'acete, flower of the virgin oil, the essence of organic olive oil captured from its first crush before the olives are pressed. It's going to bind with sebum and impurities and break down even stubborn waterproof mascara and eyeliner, cleanse and soften the skin without any oily residue, provide antioxidant protection against free radicals, and it is fragrance and colorant free. Some key ingredients is that organic olive oil, rosemary leaf oil, and that's going to invigorate and impart a refreshing aroma, nice, and vitamin E, which is also called tocopherol. So when you see tocopherol on your products, that's vitamin E, and that's a natural skin conditioner, and it's antioxidant rich. Now, if you wanted to get the full size of 6.7 ounces, that's going to run you $31.50. And if you want to get a medium size, 2.3 ounces, so it'll be a little over double this, that's going to be $16. So it's not out of the range of affordability, certainly. Now, it is, however, not cruelty-free. While they do not test on animals, their products are sold on mainland China and under Chinese regulations. Cosmetics imported and sold in physical retail stores require animal testing by law. Because they allow this to occur and sell in that market, they do not qualify as a cruelty-free brand. So I'm going to pass this on to somebody else. It sounds great, but it's not a product for me. And then last is this tiny little guy here, and this is by La Roche-Posay, and it is the Inthelios UV Air. It's 5 milliliters, and it has a retail value of $4.50. Now, it does have an SPF of 50, and if you got the full size, which is 1.69 ounces, it would be $42.99 at Ulta. It is a mineral serum. It's lightweight. It has that nice serum texture, but it's supercharged with the antioxidants. It's going to provide instant and long-lasting hydration, as well as it's going to help kind of soothe and smooth the skin tone. 24 hours of hydration, 16-hour anti-pollution defense. It is a buildable mineral sunscreen with a more transparent finish across a wide range of skin tones. It's powered by Cell Ox technology, which is a powerful antioxidant that's antioxidant complex to help protect the skin from free radicals caused by UV rays. It is dermatologist tested, safe for sensitive skin, non-comedogenic, allergy tested, fragrance free, oxybenzone free, acetone, octinoxate free, and paraben free. It also is infused with the La Roche-Posay thermal spring water, which is a soothing water sourced from the town of La Roche-Posay in France, and the core ingredient of most of their products. It has niacinamide, and that's a form of vitamin B. It's water soluble and is used in dermatology and known for its ability to help visibly fade skin discoloration. Also kind of gives us a glowiness. It has glycerin from vegetable sources. It's an excellent humectant, and it helps hydrate skin by absorbing water from the surrounding environment. Hyaluronic acid, which is a polysaccharide found naturally within the skin. And as we know, it also pulls in moisture, helps plump up the skin. And then Minerall, MINER-ALL technology, which is a proprietary complex of minerals, emollients, and emollients to provide a superior broad spectrum protection with breathable texture. Now, it is unfortunately not cruelty-free. They do allow the products to be tested when required by law, such as in mainland China, and they're also owned by L'Oreal. That is a company that also does animal testing. So another product not for me, but somebody else might enjoy it. So that is the box. What do you guys think? I think there were 3 great full-size items, all cruelty-free. I really appreciate that. And all great brands. The other 2 brands, I'm not saying they're bad brands, but they do both allow for animal testing. So they're just not products that you're going to find in my cabinet. But there are other people who that does not bother them. I'm not going to just throw them away. But I will give them out to folks who that's not as big a deal for them. But let me know in the comments down below, what was your favorite product? All right, well, that's all I have for now. I did also pick up Exclusive Beauty again for a little bit, and that is month to month. That's going to drop tomorrow, so you can kind of compare and contrast, see which box you like better. They are very similar in theory. All right, well, please consider hitting that like, subscribe, and notification bell. It is totally free, and hopefully I'll see you soon.